Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to handle jobs in ServiceSideKick. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new job, and you do that by clicking the new job link up at the top of the screen. And this is going to take you to the new job screen. And the first thing you do here is you either select an existing customer or you create a new customer. If you create a new customer, after you're done creating the customer, it'll bring you back to this screen with the new customer selected. But for this video, we're just going to use an existing customer. And then in the summary field, you're going to just type in a brief description of the job. So if it's like gardening or doing house cleaning or some other type of job, whatever it is, you just want to enter a brief description. So here we're going to do installation of landscape design. Then you want to enter the date of the job. So I'm going to choose the 17th of December, and I'm going to say it's at 10 a.m. The duration is if you want to block out how long that job's going to take, and you can do that in minutes, days, or hours. I'm going to leave it at 1 hour here. Repeats. This is if it's a recurring type of job, like it's something that's going to be done daily, weekly, every weekend, etc. And if you choose that, you can then also say when it's done, like when in the future, like a year or however long, and then ServiceSideKick will create all those jobs for you automatically. This is a one-time job, so I'm going to leave it on never. Then you assign who's going to do the work, and if you need to add any other person, you just click add another, and then you choose them. The type is the type of job. So you can see here I have normal, recurring, redo, and first time. I'm going to choose normal. Those types are specific for your company, so you can set them up any way you need it. Same with status. Those are also customizable for your company, but here I'm just going to do scheduled. And then if it's an estimate, you want to check this checkbox, and we'll get into estimates in another video. But when you're done, you just click the create job button, and then it's going to take you to the job screen where it'll show you the job and all the different sections here. So there's charges, tasks, time tracking, attachments, and notes. Attachments are file attachments. Over here on the right, there's an edit job link, delete job, duplicate job, and mark job as completed, and notify tech. And then you can also click these to get different views of the invoice, of the job, as an invoice, estimate, or work order. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to click here on the jobs tab again, and I want to show you the screen that shows all the jobs. So here's all the jobs, and you can see this is the job we just created. So if you click here, you're going to go in the customer record, and if you click here, you're going to go in the job record. So we're going to go back in the job record because I'm going to edit it now. So here I'm going to add a job charge, and you can think of that as like a invoice line item. So here's all the different items we have in our database. Now if you're using QuickBooks, you need to set your items up in QuickBooks, and then they get synchronized over. You don't set them up inside ServiceSideKick, just as a note. So we're going to choose installation, and here it says installation of landscape design, and it's a quantity of 1, and then you click add. And you can see also that there's an edit and delete link over here in case you need to edit or delete the line item. And then we're also going to add in some fertilizer, and we're going to say there's 6 pounds of it. And that's there. Alright, so now if we want to go and view the invoice, you can click this link over here. And here's an invoice in a printable form. You can then download it as a PDF to mail it to them as a PDF, or you can just email it to them directly. If you want to go back to the job, you click the return job here. Alright, so now there's one other way which is a little easier to create the job, which I just want to show you real quickly. So if you click on customers and find your customer, we're going to go back to DJ Computers again. And then from the customer screen, you can actually just click new job, and that will take you to the new job screen with that customer selected. Another thing I want to show you here is also the jobs are listed for the customer, so you can see this customer actually has had another job earlier which has been completed. Alright, so that's the main overview I wanted to give you of the jobs features in ServiceSideKick. Thank you.